always just called it like active release stuff.
Yeah, so I mean, ART and MRT, active release therapy versus myofascial release therapy, they both are based off of primarily trigger points. Okay, finding areas that are focally hypersensitive in taut skeletal muscle, yada yada. But MRT, the gist of it is that I will take a pin, so I will take, in this case, my very pointy elbow, put it right in that area, and then get you to move, thereby stretching the muscle against my pin. ART is just the pin itself. So that's really the only difference between the two. That and ART is branded. You have to pay thousands of dollars to remain licensed in ART. Anybody can do MRT provided they actually know how to do MRT. So
Gotcha.
Yeah.